The US and China say their trade truce is still intact, but that doesn't tell the market much. It's Wednesday, 11th of June, and here's what you need to know. US and Chinese negotiators say they've reached a framework to ease trade tensions after 2 days of talks in London. That should mean China starts to lift restrictions on the exports of rare earth elements that are crucial for the car industry. Several Chinese rare earth magnet makers already say they've received export licenses from the Chinese authorities. The two countries didn't give any detail on how they might resolve broader tariff tensions in the longer run, though. They've given themselves until August the 10th to make that broader agreement. That uncertainty means the market hardly reacted to news of a deal. Our number of the day is 2.5%. That's the forecast for headline US inflation, which is out later. Food prices are expected to have risen by the most in 4 months as big retailers like Walmart start to pass on the cost of tariffs to consumers. That's a fairly slow process as they're still mostly selling merchandise they imported before the tariffs kicked in. Economists expect to see a bigger impact in June and July. Our stock of the day is Zara owner Inditex. The fast fashion giant disappointed investors this morning with weak early summer sales. They rose just 6% compared to 12% in the same period last year. The company didn't give a reason, but analysts say the tariff uncertainty isn't encouraging consumers to shop, and neither did wet weather in Zara's home market, Spain. Our chart of the day is the British pound against the dollar. That's lower ahead of a crucial speech by Finance Minister Rachel Reeves. She's set to divvy up $2.7 trillion in public spending, including $152 billion on infrastructure funded by borrowing and a $53 billion affordable housing plan. Bear in mind the UK's cost of borrowing is higher now than it was at the height of the bond market rout under Liz Truss, and Reeves has limited room for manoeuvre within her own fiscal rules if she's to keep the bond market on side. And in case you missed it, it looks like Elon Musk is backing down in his row with President Trump. He wrote on X this morning that his posts last week went too far and Tesla's stock has jumped in the pre-market. And that's what you need to know this morning.